The most satisfying and profitable kind of work, and this work could be at a personal level or corporate level, it could be the job that you do, or it could be investing. Now, the most profitable and satisfying kind is one that meets three basic criteria. Number one, you must be very passionate about it. And passion is something that you could do for free, something that you do even if it costs you. Number two, it must be something that you could be the best at in the world. And this is something that you have an innate ability to just do and be better than anyone else at. And number three is something where you understand and can take advantage of the economics, something that pays you really well. Now, this trinity of factors, insane passion, natural ability, and the understanding of economics is what the management guru Jim Collins calls the hedgehog concept. And he defines the hedgehog concept as the intersection of the three circles. One, what you're very passionate about. Number two, what you could be the best at in the world. And number three, what drives your economic engine. Now, the wonderful thing about this state, this hedgehog concept, is that it is something that can be achieved by any one of us. Let's take Warren Buffett, for instance. He writes a book called Tap Dancing to Work. So for him, his work is his play, and he tap dances to work all the time, and it means he's very passionate about it. Number two, somewhere else he says that he's genetically encoded to allocate capital to high yield investments. So this is something that he has innate ability in. Of course, it takes time to really hone those skills, but he has innate ability for that. And he's actually the best in the world at allocating capital. And number three, we know that he has been one of the richest people in the world for a very, very long time. So he feels he meets these three criteria, and it is something that all of us can do. Now, the hedgehog concept, this state of passion, ability, and economics, is not a goal, it's not a plan, it's not even a strategy to be the best at something. It is an understanding. It's an understanding of yourself that this is what I am naturally passionate about. This is what turns my passion on. This is what I could be the best in the world at. These are the factors that generate and govern my economics in the business or investment that I'm doing. It is this understanding that leads to this beautiful state of the hedgehog concept. I challenge you to go online and do some reading about the hedgehog concept by Jim Collins and try and understand this state of understanding your passion, your ability, and the economics. I also challenge you to do a little test. It's called Myers-Briggs personality test. If you just Google 16 personalities, just do the test. It'll help you understand who you are. Now, this is not something that you might be able to do, in a day, in a sitting, or in a week. It is something that may take you a while to understand who you are as an individual, to understand the organization. Or if you are running your own company, craft this company and get its own hedgehog concept. Even your life, craft it in a way that you're able to understand your hedgehog concept. Thank you very much.